All right, today we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most critical, yet, almost invisible areas of modern medicine. We are going behind those famous double doors to really explore the hidden world of the operating room and to meet the unsung heroes who make every single surgery possible.
Really think about it for a second. When you picture a surgery, who do you see? The surgeon, right? They're front and center. But who sets up that entire complex room? Who's in charge of the thousands of instruments? And who makes absolutely sure that the environment itself is perfectly safe for a life-saving procedure? Well, that's the big question we're going to dig into today.
The answer, it turns out, lies in this highly specialized field. See, it's not just about cleaning a room or handing off tools. It's a whole dedicated branch of healthcare science. So let's get on the same page and define exactly what Operation Theater Technology really is. So here's the key takeaway. Operation Theater Technology, or OTT for short, is the entire ecosystem that makes surgery work. It's the science of managing the space, the tools, and those sterile conditions with just absolute pinpoint precision. Honestly, without it, the incredible work that surgeons do just couldn't happen safely. Not a chance.
Okay, so if OTT is the system, who are the people actually running it? This brings us to the protagonist of our story, the unsung hero we've been hinting at, the Operation Theater Technician. These are the highly skilled pros right at the heart of all the action. And their job description? It is massive. This goes way beyond just handing instruments to the surgeon. Think of them as the guardians of the entire surgical environment. They prep the room, they sterilize every single tool, they assist during the operation, and they maintain that sterile bubble from the first cut to the last stitch. It's a huge, huge responsibility. So let's kind of walk through what this actually looks like. Picture this. A surgery is about to start. First, the OT technician gets the entire theater ready. Every machine, every light, every single surface. Second, and this part is totally non-negotiable, they ensure absolute 100% sterility. And finally, they stand by, ready to assist the surgical team, basically anticipating what they need before they even ask for it. And that leads us to a really powerful way to think about their role. They are, in every single sense of the word, the surgeon's co-pilot. While the surgeon is flying the plane, performing that incredibly intricate procedure, the OT technician is managing the entire cockpit, making sure every system is a go and every instrument is ready at a moment's notice. And this supercritical co-pilot role, it's not just for the main operating theater. Nope. Their expertise is needed all across the healthcare system, basically anywhere that sterile procedures and complex equipment are being used. Just look at this list. From the high-stakes pressure cooker of the ICU and emergency departments to the fast-paced world of day surgery centers and specialized clinics, OT professionals are absolutely indispensable. They are the backbone of procedural care, pretty much everywhere. So now, let's bring it all together. Why are they so fundamentally essential? How do they directly, impact the outcome of every single surgery? This right here is the absolute core of why they matter so much. Before a surgeon even picks up a scalpel, the OT technician has already been waging a war against bacteria and contamination. Their meticulous work is what protects the patient from potentially life-threatening infections. They are that first line of defense. And their job is really twofold. It's not just about sterility, it's also about efficiency and making sure everything works perfectly. They make sure the scalpel is flawless, the heart-lung machine is calibrated, and everything is ready to go. By managing all this tech, they prevent dangerous delays or equipment failures, making sure every second counts. This partnership creates a critical, let's call it a division of focus. It allows the surgeon to dedicate 100% of their brainpower to the patient and the procedure. And why can they do that? Because they have complete trust that their co-pilot, the OT technician, has total control over the entire environment and all of the equipment. And that, right there, is the ultimate takeaway. OT technicians handle the immense complexity of the operating room so that the surgeon can focus on their one singular life-saving task. They create the perfect stage for the art of surgery. So the next time you hear about some miraculous surgery, just remember that silent, focused professional who made it all possible. We started by asking who manages the room, but I think we've discovered the real question is way more profound. When you think about their role in safety, in sterility, in support, could a modern surgery even happen without them?